The Say Something activity allows you to record a narration and can be used as the game's cover page or a simple reading slide. In this demo, we'll create a cover page for our game.
You can pick a theme and layout from the Creation Packs menu.
We're using images from our device's storage for our design. You want your cover page to be appealing to young audiences and give an idea of what the game is about. Be sure to use quality images and minimize text as much as possible. Keep it fun and simple. When you're happy with your design, tap on Set Activity and select Say Something. Tap on Start Recording to record your intro. Seek and find transportation. Let's get started. Tap the settings icon for additional options, such as Tap to Continue, which allows you to control whether the game continues on tap or automatically. Tap Done and Play to see your slide in action. Seek and find transportation. Let's get started.